Your complete guide to immigration and citizenship in Canada. Introduction. Immigration and citizenship in Canada. Brief overview of what the video will cover. How to apply for visas, study or work permits, immigration programs, citizenship applications, and how to check application status. Segment 1. Understanding the basics. Introduction to the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, website. Overview of the types of services offered: travel, study, work, immigration, and citizenship. Importance of using the IRCC website for accurate and up-to-date information. Segment 2. Signing into your IRCC account. Step-by-step guide on how to sign in to your IRCC account. Explanation of the importance of having an IRCC account, checking application status, accessing forms, and paying fees. Quick demonstration of the login process. Segment 3. Checking application status and processing times. How to check the status of your application once submitted. Navigating the IRCC website to find processing times for various applications. Explanation of factors that can affect processing times. Segment 4. Finding and completing application forms. How to find the correct application form on the IRCC website. Tips for filling out forms accurately and completely. Overview of common forms. Visitor visa, study permit, work permit, and permanent residence applications. Segment 5. Paying your fees. Guide on how to pay application fees through the IRCC website. Accepted payment methods and important tips to ensure your payment is processed smoothly. Importance of keeping payment receipts for your records. Segment 6. Travel requirements, ADA and visitor visas. Explanation of the electronic travel authorization, ADA, and who needs it. How to apply for a visitor visa and extend your stay in Canada. Tips for a successful application and common mistakes to avoid. Segment 7. Immigration programs. Overview of different immigration programs for permanent residents, skilled workers, family sponsorship, and entrepreneurs. Brief description of each program and who qualifies. Steps to apply and important considerations for each program. Segment 8. Work and study permits. How to apply for or extend a work permit in Canada. Information on International Experience Canada, IEC, and being a caregiver. Process for getting your credentials recognized. Steps to apply for or extend a study permit and the benefits of studying in Canada. Segment 9. Citizenship Applications. How to apply for Canadian citizenship and the necessary requirements. Preparing for the citizenship test and interview. Process to resume or give up Canadian citizenship and obtaining proof of citizenship. Segment 10. Resources for new immigrants and Canadians. Resources available for new immigrants. Getting a permanent resident card, finding local immigrant services, and understanding your first tax year. Services for Canadians. Sponsoring family or refugees, getting a passport, adopting a child from abroad, and participating in citizenship celebrations. Segment 11. Refugees and asylum seekers. Process for claiming refugee protection and sponsoring a refugee. Services available for refugees in Canada and how to appeal a refugee claim decision. Important considerations and legal support for refugees and asylum seekers. Segment 12. Enforcement, violations, and immigration fraud. Reasons why someone might be denied entry into Canada. Overview of the immigration violations process, including detention review and admissibility hearings. How to protect yourself from immigration fraud and what steps to take if you are a victim. Conclusion. Recap of the key points covered in the video. Encouragement to visit the IRCC website for more detailed information and updates. Invitation to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on immigration and citizenship in Canada. Final thoughts and farewell. Reminder to check the description box for useful links and resources. Prompt to subscribe to the channel for future updates and helpful videos on navigating the Canadian immigration system.